Wiki is a centralized knowledge hub designed to simplify your experience with Pierre. It provides detailed information about products, clear instructions for installation and automation, and practical guides for connecting and configuring devices all in one place. With PIERRE Wiki, you get quick and detailed answers tailored to your specific question. Each result provides clear text explanations, visual guides, and links to additional resources for further details. The system ensures that the answers are context-aware, delivering accurate and relevant information, not just results based on keywords. PIERRE Wiki breaks language barriers, delivering answers in any language and tailored to specific needs. With 24/7 availability and instant responses, it supports independent work anytime and anywhere. PIERRE Wiki is designed to work seamlessly across desktop, mobile, and tablet devices. Whether you need to resolve an urgent challenge or simply explore more about Pierre, all the information you need is always within reach. Access PIERRE Wiki and find everything you need to know about Pierre. Visit wiki.smartpierre.com today.